January 28th, 2021 review. All right, so for this left side, place the following points on the number line given these numbers. So we have 1, so positive 1. So we have a 0 here, and then we have a 2 here. Well, where would 1 be? Oh yeah, 1's going to be in between 0 and 2. So it goes 0, then 1, then 2, then 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. All right, let's take a look at 6. All right, that's a positive 6, so we're going to go up to positive 6. There's that 6. How about 2? We're going to go up to positive 2. So we're going to take this number, we're going to drag it up, positive 2, or plus 2, away from 0. Then, oh, that's annoying me that it's not perfectly on there. You do not have to have it perfectly on there. It was just annoying me. 8, we're going to go up positive 8. There we go. And 7. Oh, where's 7? Oh, yeah, 7 is between 6 and 8. 6, 7, 8. Perfect. So that's going to be it for that side. Now let's take a look over at this side. So we're going to match the integers to their opposites. So opposite, remember, the opposite of a positive is a negative, and the opposite of a negative is a positive. So if we have, well, first of all, let's see. Negative 21. What's the opposite of negative 21? 21 is the opposite of negative 21. So I'm going to drag that and put that, and match that together. Oh my goodness, why is nothing matching up today? Okay, there we go. All right, let's see. Negative 6. Ooh, opposite of negative 6 is a positive 6. See, that matched. And then the opposite of 10 is going to be negative 10. And then that's going to be it for our review. Great job.